In Excel, if you want to create auto border, so that we don't need to do like this, like one and like this. It's really easy. This one is I already do it. So that how can I do this? First, like, okay, look this. First we select like this, and then condition, final formatting, a new rule, and here we choose equal, and then select ID, and then delete $1, and then format like this. Okay, like this. And then if you want to put field, but I just want table like this. Okay, and then you just type 1 and 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. It's really fast. We don't need to format. Okay, yeah, we don't need to format. Just is really easy and fast, and dynamics also. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment what do you want to know about Excel, so that please enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.